Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a bit of a random video, but I got some packages from Amazon and they're actually weave bundles that I need for my graduation ceremony next week. So I bought 3 different types and I'm going to decide which ones I want to keep and return the rest. So I thought I'd do a little video in case you want to buy these, and I'll also give my opinion. So let's start with these. So I got 2 in one bag and 1 in the other. This is the, I may have to put the names up because I don't have the names here, and I can't check my phone because I'm using my phone to do the video. It says VIP Beauty. This is the first one. So this is the first one. I got these in 3 sizes, 18, 16 and 14. The longest one is 18 because I don't want it to be too long, to be honest. And I think I will ask my hairdresser to long cut it. This is how it looks. I'll put the name and the links and all. It looks nice. It doesn't smell. And it actually looks full, like the ends look full, and that was like my major worry. You can tell it's quite full, but then I'm not sure if it's because it's all like put together. It's actually very soft. I can see some random colors. I'll say it looks black. I think it will blend well with my hair. It's so soft and you can curl it. It comes with 3 bundles and you also get a wig cap. This is the second one. I mean, it looks the same like the other one, but this one I got in size 16, 18 and 20. Let me open the 18. Actually, let me open the 20. There is no wig cap in this one. Ooh. Okay, so this is black. Like, it's black. The other one was like a natural color. This is black, and to be honest, I did want black. I don't see any blonde strings, but the ends do look thin. Like, you can tell it looks a bit thin, but I feel like I don't mind because I get it cut anyway. But like, I get it. This is 20, I said, yeah. Oh, but it's so black and I really want black. It's very soft. The only thing, now that I look at it, I feel like this looks thicker here, and as you go down, I feel like maybe it's perhaps the same thickness. This is long, of course, so it does get like slightly like thinner at the end, but I can tell that this is definitely thinner than this. This goes like it's thick throughout. This gets thin, so it looks thicker here. This one less thick here. Honestly, this is nice. Let's see the flow test. Honestly, I don't know which one to choose. And I've got another one to compare. This is gonna be hard. Let me show you. Put this back. I already like the pink packaging because pink is my favorite color. Oh, this I got 16, 18 and 20. So let me get the 18. This one you get MAC lashes. And this presentation is already a 10. I feel like this looks thin. It's a brownish compared to be honest, after I take them out, when I have time, maybe I'm up, I'll take them out one by one. You have different things, so I'll be able to distinguish them and then take a picture so you can actually see them, like, compared. But this is how it looks. It looks thinner, like thinner than the other ones. I think, like, when I squeeze it in, I feel like there's not much hair. The ends might be thin as well once it's all, once it's all divided, because this is all bundles, of course it looks a bit thinner, but I can't imagine when it's not. And also the color looks more like a brownish, like a very dark brown, I'd say. So that's it. I'll put a video with all the hair compared and well, and then I'll let you know which one I decide. Hi guys, so this is a bit of a vlog all over the place. Started outside, but I'm going to do my hair, and I didn't have time to vlog because I actually woke up very late. My appointment is at 11 and I woke up at 9:45 thinking it was 8:45. So yes, I've got like 15 minutes until my appointment. Just come back from doing the hair. I ended up choosing the Panse hair. I'll put the, you will know from the previous clip, and I finished it and I think it actually looks good. The only thing is, actually it was longer. I got 20, 18 and 16. This was longer, but I got it cut because I feel like long stringy hair doesn't really match, like it doesn't frame my shape. But this type of hair does, like this length does with my face shape and also my stature. Said this hair is quite good. I put these clips just to make it flat, and I will straighten a little bit more, but the length is perfect. Yes, the hair is very nice. I'll put some baby gel when it's time, but I really like this length. We'll see how the hair holds. I'll try not to apply too much heat because I know that heat can then make it all clump together. But how do I look? I think I look good. I feel like one of those influencers. So the hair is really good. The only thing is that next time I ask the hairdressers to braid my hair inside a little bit flatter. I do have a lot of hair, like my hair is thick, so I think that's why it's hard to make it flat. It's flat, but I think I want it a little bit more flatter because I can feel like a bump of hair here, like it's quite bumpy here. So I think she should have done it flat. I'm not sure what she did. And the one who did it was a different hairdresser, so I think maybe that's why, because last time the flatness wasn't an issue. So yeah, next time I want my hairdresser. Yeah, I don't want that. And she also braids in a different way. So the hair is blending. I will blend a little bit more when it's graduation. I'll try not to straighten as much, but overall the hair itself is good. With the graduation hair, I think it will look so good. So good. Yes, bye.